extend my sincere gratitude and would like to thank the management of the school, the principal ma'am, for giving me the opportunity to be here with you all. It's a proud moment for me to come here and interact with you all. So, we are here to celebrate the 75th Independence Day, as you all are aware. It has got a very importance of itself, that too the 75th Independence Day, as the entire nation is celebrating it as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Though I will not be talking much about the Independence Day, as I am sure everybody has talked about it, and all those young students, you all are aware about it. But still, being an army officer, I would like to express some of the thoughts and feelings, and would like to share you all. As we all are aware, this is the age of digitization, and we are moving for digital India. Though it has facilitated a lot in our modern lifestyle, but I am sure you all are aware, it has given us some of the challenges which I am talking about the younger generation. They are going to face the challenges and require some skill to cope with her. Though it has got a very vast field, I may not be taking so much time as it is, you must be started by now, but still I will taking few minutes of yours, and will be harping upon some of the moral values which the younger generation can inculcate within themselves to cope up with the challenges. I will briefly touching upon the two moral values. Firstly, the discipline and the health awareness. When I am saying discipline, it is a very vast subject, but I will be focusing my speech just for the self-discipline part. Discipline, when you say, it's everywhere. Every part of life we have to follow some kind of discipline. But I will be restricting myself to self-discipline, which you as students, children, have to inculcate in you to cope up with the digital challenges. When I am saying self-discipline, means you have to, I am not saying you are not supposed to use the mobile phones, because these are the needs of the hour. You have to use your mobile phones, you will be working on laptops, matlab you are living in the age of technology. I will not say that don't use it. You have to use it for your advantage, but at the same time, you have to maintain some kind of self-discipline, which I am talking about. You have to decide when to use, how to use, and for how much duration you can use. Otherwise, what I have noticed in these days, the younger generation, they are lagging behind. They are making them away from the social responsibilities, the family values, societies, because of, I am not blaming you all, but because of the change in the lifestyle. You may not be getting that much time. So that is where I am saying you have to make some kind of self-discipline to decide how you are going to do this. And with that discipline, you have to abide by that. That's what I am saying, self-discipline. Like if you want to use mobile phones, use it, but for certain duration. And for your enhancing skills, rather than most of the time these days kids, they are using just to be on social media. that need to be curtailed down. That is what the self-discipline I mean here. Now, related to this, when I am saying the health awareness, it includes health awareness, your personal health and hygiene. It includes the outdoor activities. It includes indoor activities. These days, the young children, they hardly find any time. Why? Because they don't have any kind of discipline. So you have to manage your time. At least you should develop one of the outdoor activities. When I am saying activities, means a kind of physical activities. You have to opt for minimum one of the physical outdoor activities and one indoor activities. When I am saying indoor activities, it's not that watching TV, you are saying that it can be an indoor activity. Not that. Indoor activities, when I am saying, involving some kind of physical activities. Maybe you have to opt for some indoor games, like maybe badminton, tennis, like that. And one outdoor activity. You have to focus towards your personal health. Otherwise, the way things are moving, the way we are advancing in the modern age and modern lifestyle, you are going to face these challenges if you are not maintaining a kind of these two things. What I am talking about, basically interrelated. When I am saying the self-discipline and health awareness. So this you have to develop a kind of self-discipline within yourself, because nobody has that much time. Maybe you are here in your school, you don't have any time keeping your academics commitments. The teaching faculties, they also busy with, and they have to cope up with the requirement. So that is what I am saying. These kind of challenges you can easily cope up if you maintain some kind of discipline. As I am from army background, I am happy now that some of you, they have opted to join the Indian Army. It's very good. My best wishes to you all. In fact, to everyone, in which field you are going hardly matters. But wherever you are going, you must do well. All the best for you.